Bonjour tout le monde and welcome into my kitchen, the Gay Gourmand here, and today I've got a healthy and savory sweet treat for you. Don't get turned off the moment I say healthy, it is really good. If you love cauliflower, or what the French call le chou-fleur, you're instantly gonna love this dish. If you love barbecue sauce, if you love garlic, if you love gruyere cheese, you're going to really love this dish. And what's great about this flavor profile is with the barbecue sauce that's sweet and tangy, along with the garlic powder that's also a little sweet. It's a sweeter flavor of garlic. You also have the gruyere cheese, which is very creamy and a little nutty, and a little caramelized onion flavor in there too. This is going to be harmonious. All these flavors are going to be working together for an amazing dish. So let's get started. I've got my main ingredients here. I have gruyere cheese, barbecue sauce, extra virgin olive oil, and some garlic powder. I'm gonna start by chopping up the cauliflower. If you don't know the proper way to cut cauliflower, honestly there really is no proper way, but I'll show you. Start just by cutting off the bottom part, the leaf. Now you want to cut the cauliflower into smaller florets. It will help cook better in the oven. So all I'm doing is basically just carving out the stalks right here, just chopping them out. And once I do that, it creates these florets. I'm going to start by coating them with my extra virgin olive oil. I have my garlic powder here. I like to use garlic powder versus garlic salt because it's definitely stronger. But this garlic powder is going to go great with the barbecue sauce. Now this will get a little messy, just letting you know. Oh my gosh, this Kansas City barbecue sauce smells amazing. Obviously, Kansas City is an ode to my hometown area. Even though I'm not a football fan, please don't roast me in the comments. Go Chiefs. Hey, if Taylor Swift says it's okay to watch football, then why not? I'm going to let them roast for about 10 minutes, then take them out of the oven and add about half a cup to 3/4 of a cup more of barbecue sauce. All right, after 10 minutes, I'm gonna grab my pastry brush, my barbecue sauce, and add more to it. All right, looks good to me. Put it back in for 10 more minutes. Okay, so the cauliflower has been in the oven for a total of 17 minutes. And right before the second 10-minute timer goes off, I'm going to put my cheese on top, and then I'll put it back in the oven for 3 more minutes, and then I'm going to broil for about 3 to 5 minutes to get that crisp on top. So this is what it looks like after 3 minutes, and now I'm going to end by doing a light broil on top for about 3 to 5 to get that crisp. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. Let's see how it looks. Oh my gosh, look at that. That looks really good. You have a little bit of the caramelization. It smells amazing. I cannot wait to dig in. I'm gonna let it cool for just a bit. And voila, you have piping hot cauliflower that is flavored with barbecue sauce, gruyere cheese, and onion powder. Oh, it smells divine. So let's give it a taste. I'm gonna make sure to choose one that's a little crispy, a little burnt. Right away I'm hit with the flavors of barbecue sauce, and the gruyere cheese on top is just so good. And as you saw earlier, this is really easy to make. I'm gonna be so upset if you don't make this. Why do you wanna make me upset? No, but seriously, it takes very few ingredients, and this would pair so well with some grilled chicken, or again, if you just want a snack. I can't stop eating it. Oh my gosh. Well, again, I truly hope that you make this, and until next time, remember to cook and bake fearlessly.